Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy, and cheap to make fluffy eggs and fluffy, delicious rice. So let's get right into it. All right, so this pot that's heated, I have some melted butter down in here. You want to add your washed jasmine rice or whatever rice you prefer. I only give my family jasmine or basmati, but any rice works here. And you want to mix this up and get it nice and toasted like I'm doing here. I'm on medium heat. I'm around number 4 or 5, I believe I was. But you don't want it to get too dark. We're not making rice pilaf. We're making just regular old rice. And you want to get this toasted up a bit. Now, the garlic butter that we made the other day in previous recipe for the holiday series, make sure you guys make a lot of that because I'm telling you, you're going to put it in everything. Okay, because that's what I'm about to put in this rice, and it took it completely over the top. So I also added some scallions and toasted it up with the rice. And now I'm going to add some broth. This is chicken broth, that low sodium. And you can get low sodium or unsalted. This is the garlic butter that we made for that garlicky bread the other day, garlic and herb butter. Straight down in here. The minute it hit that warm broth, like I can't, y'all, everything will be in my description box if you want to check out the video or the ingredient list. Make sure you check that out. I also added a bouillon cube, and I'm going to bring this up to a simmer. Also, y'all, excuse my voice. I'm fighting for my life over here. I'm super congested and, yeah, very nasally. So if I sound crazy or I'm heavy breathing, it's because I'm actually trying to breathe, child. Once your liquid reduces, you see the rice is still moving around, but not too dry and not too loose. You want to put your stove on number 3, cover it, and allow it to cook. Number 3 should be on your stove medium-low. If you don't have numbers, it should be medium-low. So now I'm going to crack some eggs. I'm just going to do 4 because it was just lunch for me and, my little munchkin. And so I'm just going to do 4 eggs. And if we have leftovers, whatever, I'll put it in the refrigerator. Plus, who don't like eggs, child? So I'm just going to crack all my eggs down in here. Y'all, I have one crazy holiday recipe that's coming up. Y'all, I'm so nervous to put it out because I feel like y'all gonna chew me up. I really do. Anyway, you want to season up your eggs just like I'm doing here. I'm not putting too much seasoning because, again, I'm going to add some more of that garlic butter to this mixture. You don't want to, over season it because that stuff is actually strong. I can't wait for y'all to make it for real. But comment below and let me know if I should drop that Thanksgiving recipe that I'm talking about. And y'all got to promise me that y'all not going to drag me, okay? Now I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream to make it a little more fluffy. Not too much. It was probably a tablespoon or 2. Don't just pour it, child. It's only 4 eggs. So you want to beat this up well. Let's check on the rice, period. Like it's always perfect. Every single time. It's perfect, okay? So now you want to get it nice and fluffed up. Look how beautiful that is. Nice, fluffy, not burnt, not dry. It's very moist, perfectly cooked. The scallions smell great. The garlic butter smells great. And that's your rice, child. Now let's get back to these eggs. Yes, everything start with butter. Don't start with me. It starts with butter, honey. So once I got my butter nice and melted, I'm going to pour my eggs right down in here. I did also add some chives to the eggs. My bad, you guys. I was busy running my mouth. But I added some chives to the eggs while I was mixing it up. So for me, when I make scrambled eggs, I don't just zhuzh the eggs all over, up and down the pan. Gingerly, just bring it to the middle. Once that, solid, gets a little solid, you mix it around, get it mixed up. And this is just how I'm just gentle with it. That's how I do it. So now I'm going to add this amazing garlic butter, okay, period, right over top. Once you add it on top, cut the stove off. Your egg should be 92% done because you don't want to overcook your eggs. The pan is still hot and you already know, carry over cook. So now I'm just going to mix that in just like I'm doing here. Look how fluffy and delicious those eggs are. Perfect and on point. Now I'm going to plate this whole thing up. Put some rice down. Look at those scallions. Very fragrant. Period. It's super simple, super cheap. This is for people that need this recipe. This is not for the rich folk. Okay? I didn't make this for you. Yours is coming up tomorrow. Don't come over here bothering me, okay? So put the rice over top, just like this. I'm telling you, this is the best egg and rice dish on the net because of that butter, okay? And if y'all try it, please tag me and let me know what you think. Now for me, y'all already know. I'm gonna use some hot sauce. And look at my mouth watering. This thing is good, y'all. I'm not even joking. Like, it's good. So you want to put some hot sauce on the side. Because, you know, like I told y'all, me and Munchkin, so I just put it on one side. Just like this. And you just want to eat it. Like, y'all, it's good. Period. Like, it's just good. Like, it's fresh. It's light. It's delicious. It's filling. It's cheap. It's easy to make. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow in my next video. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in my next video.